Picture an organization that doesn't just process information, but truly understands it. One that doesn't just react to change, but anticipates and shapes it. One that doesn't just employ people, but nurtures their collective consciousness to create something greater than the sum of its parts. Welcome to the world of the Consciousness Operating System, COS, where organizations transcend traditional boundaries to achieve extraordinary levels of awareness, adaptation, and impact. In our previous episodes, we explored how organizations can develop neural networks that think and learn, and how quantum teams can operate at unprecedented levels of coherence and adaptability. Today, we're integrating these elements into something even more powerful, a comprehensive system for organizational consciousness that's transforming how companies sense, learn, and evolve. At The Awakening, a crisis of consciousness. Sarah Torres stood in her office at Global Tech, surrounded by walls of screens displaying every metric imaginable: revenue trends, productivity indices, customer satisfaction scores, market share data. As the Chief Innovation Officer of a Fortune 500 company, she had access to more data than ever before. Yet something was troubling her deeply. "It was during a major market disruption that the truth hit me," Sarah recalls, her voice carrying the weight of the realization. "We had missed the signals completely. Not because we didn't have the data. We had mountains of it. We missed them because we lacked consciousness. We were measuring everything except our awareness, our collective intelligence, our purpose alignment. We were a highly intelligent organization, but we weren't a conscious one." This crisis led Sarah to a profound discovery that would transform not just her company, but our understanding of organizational potential. "We needed more than just better metrics or faster processes," she explains. "We needed a fundamental upgrade to our operating system. Not just how we process information, but how we perceive, learn, and evolve as a collective entity." The 3 levels of organizational consciousness, a journey of awakening. Dr. Michael Chen, a pioneering researcher in organizational consciousness, has identified 3 distinct levels of organizational consciousness. Each level represents a quantum leap in how organizations perceive and interact with their reality. Level 1. Operational consciousness. The mechanical mind. Imagine a skilled worker who can perform their tasks perfectly, but struggles to adapt when conditions change. This is operational consciousness, the foundation level where most organizations begin their journey. Characteristics. Basic awareness of operations and processes. Reactive response patterns to challenges. Linear problem-solving approaches. Focus on standard performance metrics. Limited ability to sense broader patterns. Siloed thinking and decision-making. "It's like having excellent eyesight but poor perception," explains Dr. Chen. "You can see what's right in front of you clearly, but you miss the broader context and deeper meanings." Example: a traditional manufacturing company that excels at efficiency but struggles to innovate or adapt to market changes. They see the numbers but miss the narratives behind them. Level 2. Strategic consciousness. The awakening mind. Picture: an experienced chess player who can read the board several moves ahead and understand the strategic implications of each decision. This is strategic consciousness, where organizations develop a deeper awareness of patterns and interconnections. Characteristics: environmental awareness across multiple dimensions, pattern recognition capabilities that inform decision-making, systems thinking that reveals hidden connections, strategic adaptation to changing conditions, proactive response to emerging trends, integrated decision-making processes. At this level, organizations begin to see the invisible threads that connect seemingly unrelated events, says Dr. Chen. They develop a kind of organizational intuition. Example: a tech company that successfully predicted and prepared for the rise of mobile computing by recognizing patterns in user behavior years before the smartphone revolution. Level 3. Quantum consciousness. The emergent mind in vision. A living ecosystem that adapts and evolves in real time, where every part is aware of and responds to the whole. This is quantum consciousness, the highest level of organizational awareness. Characteristics: multidimensional awareness across all aspects of operation, emergent intelligence that transcends individual capabilities, generative action that shapes markets and industries, purpose-driven evolution aligned with broader societal needs, simultaneous awareness of detail and big picture, collective wisdom that guides decision-making. This is where organizations begin to demonstrate capabilities that seem almost magical to outside observers, explains Dr. Chen. They don't just adapt to the future, they help create it. Example, a global innovation company that consistently generates breakthrough solutions by tapping into the collective consciousness of their entire ecosystem, including employees, customers, partners, and even competitors. The 4 components of a consciousness operating system. SATA 1. Awareness architecture, the sensing system. The foundation of any conscious organization is its ability to sense and perceive across multiple dimensions. This goes far beyond traditional data collection. It's about developing true organizational awareness. Key elements: Tanaitais, environmental scanning mechanisms, AI-powered trend detection systems, real-time market sensing capabilities, social listening networks, competitive intelligence platforms, NASTARS, internal state monitoring, employee sentiment analysis, cultural health indicators, energy and engagement metrics, innovation potential measures, stakeholder feedback systems, customer experience tracking, partner relationship monitoring, community impact assessment, investor sentiment analysis, cultural awareness tools, value alignment trackers, purpose fulfillment metrics, behavioral pattern analysis, organizational energy mapping. Success. Story. Global manufacturer. NextGen revolutionized their operations by implementing a comprehensive awareness architecture. We went from being blindsided by market changes to anticipating them months in advance, explains CEO Michael Chen. But more importantly, we developed a deeper understanding of our own organizational consciousness. We could feel the pulse of our company in ways we never imagined possible. 2. Learning acceleration, the growth engine. The second component focuses on rapidly processing and integrating new information, turning insights into wisdom at unprecedented speeds. Key elements: pattern recognition systems, machine learning algorithms for trend identification, cross-domain pattern matching, anomaly detection frameworks, predictive analytics engines, knowledge synthesis frameworks, interdisciplinary insight integration, collective wisdom capture, experience amplification tools, learning pattern optimization, rapid experimentation protocols, fast fail methodologies, innovation sandboxes, prototype acceleration systems, learning loop optimization, feedback loop, enhancement, real-time performance, feedback, adaptive learning systems, experience-based optimization, wisdom capture mechanisms, success story, tech leader innovate, now reduced their learning cycle time by 70% through these mechanisms. We're not just learning faster, says CTO Sarah Kim. We're learning deeper. Our insights have a richness and nuance that wasn't possible before. 3. Collective intelligence activation, the wisdom network. This component connects and amplifies the cognitive capabilities throughout the organization, creating a neural network of human and artificial intelligence. Key elements: NASTARS, intelligence networking, cross-functional collaboration platforms, knowledge-sharing systems, expertise, location tools, collective problem-solving frameworks, ASFAR, wisdom aggregation, experience synthesis tools, best practice identification, collective decision support, wisdom, capture systems, insight, amplification, innovation acceleration tools, idea, evolution platforms, impact scaling systems, knowledge multiplication frameworks, knowledge synergy, cross-pollination mechanisms, interdisciplinary integration, cognitive diversity leverage, emergence facilitation tools. Success. Story, healthcare provider. MedFirst transformed patient care by activating collective intelligence across their network. We've created a living ecosystem of knowledge, explains Dr. Jennifer Wong, Chief of Innovation. Insights from one department naturally flow to where they're needed most, creating a kind of organizational consciousness that continuously improves patient care. 4. Purpose integration, the meaning maker. The final component aligns individual, team, and organizational purposes, creating a coherent field of shared meaning and intention. Key elements: value alignment systems, personal organizational value matching, purpose alignment tools, mission integration frameworks, impact assessment platforms, meaning creation frameworks, purpose discovery tools, value articulation systems, impact visualization platforms, legacy mapping tools, impact, focus mechanisms, societal contribution tracking, environmental impact assessment, stakeholder value creation, purpose fulfillment metrics, evolution, guidance tools, future scenario planning, purpose evolution tracking, vision alignment systems, legacy, development frameworks, success story, social enterprise impact, now transformed their effectiveness by implementing comprehensive purpose integration. When everyone's personal purpose aligns with our organizational mission, says founder Marcus Rodriguez, magical things happen. Our impact multiplied tenfold in just 2 years. Implementation framework: the journey to consciousness. Phase 1. Assessment: understanding your current state. Begin with a comprehensive evaluation of your organization's consciousness level. Consciousness audit: evaluate current awareness levels, assess learning capabilities, measure collective intelligence, gauge purpose alignment, potential mapping, identify consciousness bottlenecks, discover untapped capabilities, map transformation opportunities, chart evolution pathways, gap analysis, compare current versus desired state, identify capability gaps, assess cultural readiness, evaluate resource needs. Phase 2. Development: building conscious capabilities. Focus on developing the necessary individual and collective capabilities. Individual consciousness. Development: awareness, training programs, perception, enhancement tools, learning acceleration techniques, purpose discovery processes, team consciousness enhancement, collective intelligence practices, group awareness exercises, shared purpose alignment, collaborative learning systems, organizational awareness building, system-wide consciousness practices, cultural transformation initiatives, leadership development programs, purpose integration workshops. Phase 3. Integration: activating the system. Implement and activate the COS across the organization. System deployment, awareness architecture, implementation, learning system activation, intelligence network launch, purpose framework, integration, performance, optimization, feedback loop, refinement, system performance tuning, impact measurement, continuous improvement, evolution management, system adaptation protocols, capability enhancement, consciousness elevation, purpose evolution, results and impact, the consciousness advantage, organizations that have implemented a COS report, transformative outcomes across multiple dimensions. Operational excellence: 40% faster response to market changes, 60% improvement in innovation success rates, 50% reduction in decision-making time, 80% increase in employee engagement. Strategic advantages: enhanced adaptability to change, improved innovation capabilities, stronger competitive positioning, greater organizational resilience. Human capital benefits: higher employee satisfaction, increased skill development, better talent retention, enhanced career opportunities, societal impact, stronger stakeholder relationships, improved environmental stewardship, greater social contribution, enhanced sustainable practices, the future of conscious organizations. The implementation of a consciousness operating system represents more than just an organizational upgrade. It's a fundamental evolution in how we think about human collective potential. As we face increasingly complex global challenges, organizations with higher consciousness will be better equipped to create positive impact at scale. We're just beginning to understand the true potential of organizational consciousness, reflects Dr. Chen. The organizations that develop these capabilities now will be the ones shaping the future of business and society. Next week, we'll explore practical tools for measuring and developing organizational consciousness. We'll examine specific metrics, assessment frameworks, and development methodologies that can help any organization elevate its consciousness level. Production notes, visual elements, open with consciousness, evolution visualization, use neural network imagery, transitioning to quantum field representations, show 3 levels of consciousness through dynamic graphics, illustrate the 4 key OS components with interactive visuals, include compelling case study imagery, use data visualization for results and impact, end with inspiring montage of conscious organizations in action. Key points to emphasize: connection to previous episodes on neural and quantum organizations, practical applications of consciousness principles, real-world success stories and transformations, clear implementation framework, future implications and possibilities.